Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing two of the most popular development environments, VS Code and JetBrains IDEs. Whether you're coding casually or working on serious projects, this breakdown will help you see which one suits your workflow best. VS Code is free, lightweight, and very flexible. It's perfect for quick scripts, experimenting with different languages, or small projects. Pros: free and open source, lightweight and fast. Huge library of extensions for Python, JavaScript, Docker, remote SSH, and more. Great for experimenting and casual coding. Cons: debugging setup can be tricky for complex languages like C++. Linting or extensions can sometimes break with multiple environments. Collaboration via LiveShare is good, but less integrated than full IDE solutions. VS Code is ideal if you need speed, flexibility, and a wide range of extensions without paying. JetBrains IDEs like PyCharm and IntelliJ offer a professional, polished coding environment. They excel in stability, debugging, and project management. Pros: reliable code inspection, refactoring, and linting. One-click debugging with integrated tools. Excellent Git integration with clear merge conflict views. Collaborative features like Code with Me are professional and secure. Most important features built in, less need to manage extensions. Cons: heavier and slower than VS Code. Paid, unless you're a student. Some advanced integrations may require Ultimate Edition. A user of JetBrains expressed frustration, noting that the platform has declined in quality. They reported frequent breaking changes even in minor updates, sluggish performance, limited AI features, and difficulties with Windows WSL integration, making development increasingly cumbersome. In contrast, a user of VS Code praised it as an exceptionally polished and complete IDE. They highlighted its thoughtful design, bug-free experience, and comprehensive features that go beyond a typical code editor, making coding smoother and far more efficient compared to other platforms. JetBrains IDEs are perfect for long-term projects, professional development, and team collaboration where stability and depth matter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.